Our course titled Art Collecting for Ultra-High Net Worth Families is divided into 5 lectures, each addressing key aspects of art collection management for ultra-high net worth U.H.N.W families. Lecture 1. The Total Wealth Approach. This lecture introduces the total wealth approach, emphasizing the integration of financial and non-financial assets, including art collections, within a family's broader wealth strategy. It highlights the importance of governance, structuring, and risk management, while addressing the blind spots in conventional family office reports. The session also covers investment policy statements, IPS, and holistic asset allocation strategies. Lecture 2. Understanding the Asset Class. This lecture explores the diverse categories of art that ultra-high net worth families invest in, such as fine art, contemporary art, classical art, photography, digital art, decorative art, jewelry, and collectibles. It examines art market dynamics, distinguishing between primary and secondary markets, auction houses, and art fairs. Additionally, it discusses key industry players, artists, dealers, curators, critics, collectors, and museums, while emphasizing the global nature of the art market. Lecture 3. Setup and Processes. This session outlines the key considerations for establishing a professional art collection, including strategic planning, documentation, expert support, and structured policies. It covers the importance of aligning the collection with the family's investment policy statement, IPS, defining legal and tax structures, and setting acquisition criteria. The lecture also discusses collection management system CMS for tracking provenance, valuation, and inventory, alongside the role of collection managers, conservators, and legal advisors. Lecture 4. Art Trends. This lecture explores key trends shaping the art market, including globalization, the rise of contemporary artists, and the influence of digital innovation. It highlights the growing prominence of Asian markets, particularly Beijing and Hong Kong, and the increasing role of NFTs and art tokenization in expanding accessibility and liquidity. The session also addresses evolving risks such as forgery, auction fraud, and money laundering, emphasizing the need for due diligence and provenance verification. Lecture 5. Enhancing the collection's value. The final lecture focuses on strategies to increase the value of an art collection, emphasizing active management, provenance enhancement, and artist promotion. It highlights the importance of holding artworks for 3 to 5 years, conducting thorough research before acquisitions, and negotiating favorable terms with galleries. The lecture also discusses strategic lending of artworks to exhibitions, collaborating with influential galleries, and lobbying curators to boost an artist's reputation. Additionally, it warns against leveraging art as collateral, citing risks such as margin calls and market downturns. Enjoy the course.